Question 15. Draw a circle around the term that includes negative numbers. What we mean by negative numbers are like -1 or -1, -2, -3, and so on. Now, the options are prime numbers. You should know your prime numbers by now. Those are numbers that only themselves and 1 can divide them. They include numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. You would see that you don't have a negative prime number. Next is whole numbers. For whole numbers, we have from 1 up. It doesn't include 0 or a negative number. We have from 1, that's +1, 2, 3, 4, and so on to infinity. No decimal included. The next option is integers. Integers include negative numbers. It goes to negative, -1, -2, -3, down to infinity. Then to the right, let's say on the number line, you have 0 included, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to infinity on the positive. So integers include negative numbers. So the answer to this question is integers. So we draw a circle around the answer. We have a fourth option, which is natural numbers. Natural numbers start from 0. You are from 0 up, 0, 1, 2, 3 to infinity. For integers, it includes negative numbers. Then for whole numbers, you start counting from 1. It doesn't include 0, neither does it include negative numbers. Then we have prime numbers. Like I said earlier, those are numbers that only themselves, or you say a prime number is a number that only itself and 1 can divide it, and starts from 2 and includes 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. So the answer to question 15A is integers. Question 15B. Draw a circle around another term for counting numbers. First, you need to know what counting numbers are. So what are counting numbers? From the word counting. Counting numbers are numbers we use in counting. We don't count from -1, we don't count from 0. Let's say you have several balls and you want to count them. You start counting from 1. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So counting numbers start from 1. You have 2, 3 to infinity. So which other term can stand for counting numbers? You have even numbers. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. So it doesn't include 1. So even numbers is not another word for counting numbers. Then we have whole numbers. Whole numbers, like we said earlier, start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. It's therefore another term for counting numbers. As you can see, they both have the same values, starting from 1 up to infinity. Integers include negative numbers, therefore it doesn't fit in. Natural numbers start from 0, therefore it would also not work. So the answer to this question is whole numbers. These questions are meant to test you on your knowledge of types of numbers.